This should be illegal because this AI tool just dropped a plan with unlimited AI videos and images. This means it has no credit limits and no cap on how many images or videos you can create. But weirdly, it's the same price as the plan that I used to pay for a limited credit-based system before. Let me show you exactly the 3 ways that I'm thinking about how I make money with this kind of tool. And I'll show you some custom prompts and tools that I've built in order to help my customers or my clients or my own brands make money with these AI images and AI generated videos. But first, here's the thing that no one tells you about AI videos. You'll probably see in the comments down below that some people complain about AI tools because they say they look fake or they are unnatural. But in the end, they're just a technological tool and you either choose to use them or not. And in most cases, if you use them correctly, most people are not even able to tell if they are AI generated or not. So let me know down in the comments below if you hate them or you love them. Regardless, in the rest of the video, I'll show you how to use them correctly. So most tools or platforms only allow you to create a couple of AI images or videos per day, or you have to switch over to the API-based credit system, which is pretty expensive, and you'll notice that you run up a bill pretty quickly. That's the kind of system that I was running until I found this one plan on Artlist that was literally just launched today. And it's an unlimited plan, which I literally think there's no other plan like that out there. So this plan is called Artlist Unlimited, and with it, you get most of the top AI image and video models, and you get unlimited generations for them. Plus, on top of that, you also get more AI credits for the other plans that aren't included in the unlimited section. So check out this image or the links down below to see which images are included in the unlimited plan itself. And if you end up signing up for this, if you click on the link down in the description, you might get some additional discounts on top of that. But before you commit to anything, let me actually show you how I use it for my own companies and for my clients. So the first way that you can make money with this is by creating viral content that grows a channel. The second way is by creating content about a particular product, either your own product and the stuff that you sell, or one for your client. And then the third way is to create UGC ads that you end up selling to your clients without having to show you a face. All right, that's enough talking. Let me actually show you the 3 different processes I just mentioned. Let's get right to it. To get started, click on the link in the description and you'll be directed to this Artlist page, which gives you these incredible deals. You get unlimited generations for all of these different AI image and video models. And if you subscribe to the AI professional plan, you get even more unlimited generations on top of that with all of these different models. But you also get the AI credits for the models that aren't included in the unlimited generation, which is Kling 3 or Nano Banana Pro, as well as some of the best AI video models. Simply sign up to one of these accounts and you can make full use of the AI Toolkit or the Artlist Studio. Simply click on the AI Toolkit to get started and type in anything that you want in this reference image. For example, a blue panda bear riding a unicycle, and hit generate. And as we can see here, the unlimited toggle is selected on because this model is included in unlimited. And we can see here that it's not taking up any of our credits. You can easily switch between different models, for example, Nano Banana Pro, and this is also in the unlimited plan. So you can just compare different AI models without using up any of your credits. Let's try Seedream 5, and you can also click on show all to see all of the different models that are available to you. Let's also compare this with the Artlist original, click on use model and hit generate. So now we can see the different images that were generated with the different AI models, and it didn't take up any of our credits on our account. Now you probably don't want to generate pandas on a blue unicycle, but let me actually show you some cool shots that you can generate either for your own brand or to go viral on Instagram or on TikTok, or that you can use to sell to clients. For that, I actually put together a few prompts that you can use for free, and the link to this is in the description, where I have a bunch of different prompts for cool B-roll and cinematic cutaways, for epic viral images and videos, as well as for generating product shots. And all of this is part of my more in-depth AI video guide, where I have even more prompts and tips on how to generate the best AI videos and images from just a few prompts. For example, I have this in-depth Seedance 2.0 prompt playbook with detailed instructions on how to make the most of this model. And the link to that one is also in the description. But let's actually generate some cool images and videos. Let me go to the prompt template that is free and available for all of you, and let's just select this first prompt and copy this, go over to Artlist and create a new artboard. Paste in the prompt right here. And for the first shot, we're going to select Nano Banana 2. We're going to hit generate, and we can even up the number of images here all the way to 5. And this is also included in the unlimited pack, and hit generate. If we want to compare this with GPT Image 2, which is my second favorite AI image tool, let's generate 2 of these at medium quality and hit generate. And let's also compare this with Nano Banana Pro and see how this compares to what we're building. Let's also also generate 2 images of that. So as we can see here, we generated 10 different shots without using up any of our credits. We can see that we have all of our credits still available for other models that we want to use. And this is really the powerful part of this unlimited plan, because we can just experiment wildly and just select the best shot that we like. So for example, out of these, I like this shot here. This one is really cool. Or this first shot that we generated looks epic. If we want to turn this into a video now, we can use this particular image and click on generate video with that. In the bottom left corner, we can see all of the different video models that are available that we can use. And we can see that the Veo 3.1 Lite actually also has unlimited generations, which is insane. So we'll select that, click on use model, and we'll use the same prompt that we had here. We'll add audio and we can generate the shot. And once again, this is not taking up any of our credits. So we can now add a different prompt. For example, make this an ultra slow motion video and hit generate to experiment how the different prompts react with our model. We can also try using different models. For example, here are all the other AI video models that are also on the free plan. And let's see how Kling 2.6 Pro reacts to this particular prompt. We'll hit generate, and we can also compare that to Grok Imagine. Let's generate that video as well. Now, if you want to use a model that's not on the unlimited plan, you can also do that because your plan comes with a certain amount of credits. So if we want to use Seedance 2 or Veo 3.1 Pro, for example, we can also do that by clicking on the model selector, clicking on Seedance 2, click on use model, and this time it will take a few credits. So for example, if we want to generate this will take 1,500 of our credits on our plan. So now in this case, it actually charged us a few credits, but since we were able to experiment with these different prompts in the first place, we were able to lock down our particular prompt that we wanted beforehand, and then we can switch to the better model that actually takes credits after the fact. So we don't burn all of our credits in the experimentation phase.
A few moments later.
So let's check out some of these videos. That is a great shot, and this was on the unlimited plan of the Veo 3.1 Lite. This is already great. Let's compare this now to our modified prompt with the slow motion. And we can see that the pour is much slower. So we know that this prompt now works much better. If we want to compare that to another AI video model, for example, Kling 2.6 Pro, we can see that this slow motion is way better. I love this ultra slow motion shot here, and the steam looks really realistic. This is a really good shot. Compare this to Grok Imagine, which is also a good shot, but I don't like that the coffee rim here is kind of dirty, but it also looks really realistic. And here's the last one of the Seedance 2 shot. And I think that shot is pretty good too, but honestly, one of the unlimited versions, for example, Veo 3.1 Fast or the Kling 2.6 model, did just as well. But the nice thing is that I was able to try out a bunch of these and see which one I liked the best. Let me know which one you like the most down in the comments below. Let's generate some funny clips for social media, and then I'll show you how you can use this for product shots and to elevate your brand or to sell to customers if you want to turn this into an AI video agency. Let me go back to my prompt library and let's choose one of these. For example, the dog road trip one here. Go back to the toolkit and let's generate some images for this, and also try this with a different model.
A few moments later.
And here are some of the shots, but I actually think these look too much like cartoons. So let's modify the prompt to give us a better direction. So we'll just slightly modify our prompt, and we will also switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 and try this again right here, as well as with Nano Banana Pro. And here are some of the results, and I think they look really, really good. Look at this one, for example. This is a great shot. You can even see the reflection of the sunglasses right here. So let's actually use this to turn this into a video. Let's click on the video button right there, keep the same prompt, and let's switch this to the Veo 3.1 Lite model that is also on the unlimited plan. Turn this on vertical and hit generate. And we also want to compare how that looks to Seedance 2, which is not on the unlimited plan, but we have enough credits to try it out. And we also definitely want to compare it to Kling 2.6 Pro, which is the other model that performed really well in our last test. And let's keep this on auto, keep the audio on, and in max resolution. Hit generate. And while these shots are generating, let me just generate a bunch of other different videos because we are on the unlimited plan and I want you to be entertained. So let's see what we can come up with. So let's first watch the video of the dog that we generated earlier, and then I'll show you some of the other clips that we generated. And after that, I'll show you the secret technique that I use in order to make really good brand commercials and branded images for social media or for ads for different companies so that you can actually earn money with this. So here's the dog driving the convertible, but somehow he's driving backwards. So that didn't work out the way that we wanted to. And this is actually really good. This is exactly what I had imagined when I prompted this. So kudos to that for being able to figure that out. And here's another video. That actually worked out really well too. I'm really impressed by Kling 2.6 Pro and that it's included in the unlimited plan. So now let's watch some of the other clips that we generated. So as we can see here, we generated a bunch of different videos and it didn't take up any of our credits because they were all on the unlimited plan. For example, if we click on this one, this is a really cool shot. This would be really cool B-roll. If we compare this with the VO 3.1 Fast, it's a very different way of imagining it. Here's a really cool shot of the volcano. Here's a funny video of a raccoon stealing your food. that one is actually really funny. Meow! All right, that one is kind of AI slop, but it's still funny. But yeah, as you can see here, these are all definitely funny, and some of them might not be the exact video quality that you wanted. And yeah, not all of these videos are perfect, but the cool thing is that you can just try around with your different prompting techniques and figure out what you really like, and then switch to a more advanced video model later. Now, in order to create branded images and videos, it usually takes a lot of prompt engineering, and I've made multiple other videos on how to do exactly that. So subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that kind of stuff, or check out my other videos if you want to see more on that. In order to create branded images, I use my own tool called Sevenposts in order to turn boring food photography shots like this one into on-brand images like that. So really, you just take a snapshot of a product pic and it generates an on-brand image with your logo in it, and that looks much better, so you can post on Instagram. Now, if I log in and I see a bunch of shots that are generated for me to post on social media, for example, this one, I can download this shot, or I can download this shot, and I can come to my Artlist studio and I use that shot as my reference image, click on video and give it a prompt like this. Then I can generate multiple video iterations of that exact shot with different video models to see exactly which of these shots I like the most. So let's see how that turned out. Here's the first shot. That is a phenomenal shot, and I think that turned out really well. Let's check out the second one. This is with Kling 2.6. And this is amazing. Here's another starting frame. And I don't know why it twirled at the end, but this first part is really good. That also turned out really well. And here's another shot right here with VO 3.1 Lite. Now, if you're wondering on how to prompt this correctly and improve your prompt iteratively, I actually built this custom GPT where you can just drop in an image or a brand. And so you can ask it something like this, and it will give you an exact VO prompt that you can use for the video or for different concepts. Or you can ask it something like this, and it looks up the brand that you're inserting. It gives you the brand positioning, as well as the image and the video prompts that you can paste into your Artlist toolkit. So this does a similar job to what this whole platform does here, except that you have to do a few steps and a lot of back and forth in order to get the brand image on point. But since you are on the unlimited plan, this shouldn't be a problem. Now, I put all of that together to create this super cinematic Nike prompt that I'll show you in just a second. But before that, let me know what your thoughts are on this in the comments and what you're most likely to use this particular unlimited generations for. If you want access to the free Notion guide, the link is down below. I also have a link to the Pro Notion guide that goes even more in depth on all of this and gives you even more prompts, as well as the custom GPT that helps you with all of this prompting for your brand or for your agency. If this video is helpful so far, I have so many more videos on this coming out soon, so subscribe to this channel if you want to see those. And if this was valuable to you at all, consider leaving a like button. It helps a lot. Either way, here's the cinematic Nike ad that I did. And if you want to see the full video on how I made that, click the link right here.
Every frontier begins the same way. With a step.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
But now, the frontier has changed. So, we design for the next first step. Lighter, faster, ready for a new world. Because no matter how far we go, the future still starts with a step. We're not doing this because it is easy. We do it because we just do it.
Thanks so much for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.